In a small village, people gather to discuss the three fundamental questions every society must answer: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. These decisions determine how resources are allocated and what kind of economy the village will have. The way they answer these questions will shape their lives and the structure of their society. In one version of their future, the village leaders decide to let individuals and businesses take the lead in answering these questions. In this market economy, each person or firm is free to make decisions about what goods to produce and how to produce them. If someone thinks they can sell clothes for a profit, they will set up a shop. If another sees an opportunity to sell food, they'll focus on farming. Prices, driven by supply and demand, guide these decisions. The better the goods and services, the higher the profits. This system rewards efficiency and innovation, as businesses seek the least costly methods of production to maximize profits. People in this economy answer the question what to produce based on what is profitable. If there's a demand for shoes, that's what gets made. The how is determined by market competition, where firms strive to lower production costs and improve their products to attract buyers. Finally, the for whom question is answered by income. Those with higher wages or property incomes get access to more goods. In this system, wealth distribution depends on individual success in the marketplace. However, this can lead to inequality, as those with fewer resources may struggle to afford the goods they need. In another version, the village looks to a command economy, where a central authority, perhaps a king, a government, or a committee, decides all economic matters. In this system, the government answers the three fundamental questions. The what to produce is decided by central planners who determine which goods and services are most necessary for the society. These planners also decide the how, the methods and processes used to produce these goods. Whether it's the construction of homes, the production of food, or the creation of tools, the government owns most resources, and workers follow the orders given to them. Finally, the for whom question is decided by the government, which ensures that goods are distributed according to its policies, often aiming to create a more equal society. While this system can provide stability and ensure everyone's basic needs are met, it can also stifle innovation and efficiency. Without competition or personal incentives, there is less drive to improve quality or reduce costs, and people may not always get what they desire or need. The government holds all the power, leaving little room for individual choice. But the village may also choose a mixed economy, combining elements of both market and command systems. This is the most common approach today. In a mixed economy, individuals and businesses still make many decisions about production and consumption, but the government plays a role in regulating the market. The government might oversee things like public health, education, and the protection of the environment, while also intervening in the market to ensure fairness, prevent monopolies, or provide public goods. The what to produce and how to produce are largely determined by market forces, but the government steps in to ensure that industries meet certain standards and protect the public interest. For example, it may regulate how food is produced to ensure safety, or set minimum wages to ensure fair compensation for workers. In terms of for whom to produce, the government might implement social programs like welfare, unemployment benefits, or public housing to ensure that everyone has access to basic goods and services, even if they are unable to compete in the market economy. In a mixed economy, the government's role is to balance the benefits of the market, innovation, efficiency, and consumer choice, with the need for fairness, stability, and the protection of public welfare. While this system tries to achieve a balance, it still faces challenges in deciding how much control the government should have versus the freedom of the market. In the end, every society, whether based on markets, central planning, or a mixture of both, faces the same fundamental economic questions. The way these questions are answered shapes the society's economy, its values, and the way resources are distributed. Whether in a market economy where profit drives decisions, a command economy where the government has full control, or a mixed economy that tries to blend both, each system has its strengths and weaknesses. The challenge for any society is finding the right balance between individual freedom and collective welfare, between innovation and fairness, in answering the three core economic questions: what, how, and for whom.